Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Golden. I am back with another drawing video. Okay, to be honest with you guys, I want to make a mod. How about a mod video? Maybe not, maybe yes, maybe not. So I am not wasting no time at all today. Today I'm really busy. For you guys, if you guys only see one video, I truly apologize.
My name is Jeff.
Also I'm a gamer. Right? So, without further ado, if you're new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. I subscribe in the comments below and you will sure to get your shout out. Without further ado, without Golden wasting any time, let's get right into this.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying,
Hello. Who's you?
My name is Jory.
What are you doing in my territory?
Just drawing.
For the fans?
Yeah.
Let's take a fight.
having me around, gave you chances and you blew it. You so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah.
Hi guys.